ask you a question. Is your business visible when people ask ChatGPT, Gemini, Google AI overviews, or Perplexity for recommendations? Traditional SEO is no longer enough. Today, buyers ask AI tools questions like, who is the best consultant for my business? Or which local service provider should I choose, right? Or who offers the right solution for my problem? If your website is not structured clearly, AI tools may overlook your business and mention your competitors instead. In this gig, I help businesses improve their AI search visibility through generative engine optimization, also known as GEO, along with AEO or answer engine optimization. I can help you with AI search visibility orders, service page optimization, FAQ structure, keyword structure, competitor review, entity and trust signal improvements, and a practical action plan to help AI tools better understand your business. So, this service is ideal for consultants, agencies, local businesses, law firms, real estate professionals, healthcare providers, and service based companies. So if you want your business to be better positioned for ChatGPT, Gemini, Perplexity, Copilot, and AI-powered search, send me a message and let's choose the right package for your goal.